Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about installation Docker setup in Windows system. Okay, how we can able to do and how we can able to download that exe and how we can able to download those things we can able to discuss in this particular section. Okay, and if you go for the Google and if you search here Docker install. Okay, once you enter and then you can able to see there is a Docker documentation. This is the first one docs.document docker.com. Okay, this is the first the link you can able to see, right? Just click on that particular link, you can able to navigate into a home page of Docker. Okay, in this home page of Docker you can able to see there are three options. Okay, all this like Docker desktop for Linux, a Docker desktop for Mac, and Docker desktop for Windows. Okay, if you see the platform, wherever the platforms it is supported, those platforms also it will show, and Linux related information and any support related, you can able to see all the things. Okay, but based upon your operating system you can able to go ahead. Okay, anything like if you open this particular one and this is the one and this is the one. Okay, if you open a new tab and we'll go for first Windows and this is my Windows installer. Okay, once you click this particular one, right, it will download into your own exe. Okay, Docker exe. Once it is downloaded, even you can able to see what are the setup and before you installing, right, what are the setups you need and how much space it is required, what are the things need to be get and everything it will provide you. Okay, the space of 4 GB RAM and 64-bit of process we required. Okay, and with virtualization for BIOS we need to enable. Okay, and if you running for any Windows container, you need to Windows 10 or Windows 11 professionals or enterprises editions. Windows homes are educational, the editions only allow for the running for Linux containers. Only Linux containers only it will allow you. Okay, and also they will provide you for what how you can able to do for installation. Okay, and they will provide you for step by step, each step they will provide you. Okay, if you click the double click on that particular exe, it will open one window. Okay, then only you can able to after installation then only we can able to close, like we can see now. I have prepared for Windows documentation. Okay, Word documentation. And here once you click on first engine you need to click, and then once you click on that Windows we need to choose, and then click on that particular Docker desktop, which is the above one, this particular button. Okay, once you click that one, again we can able to see this particular configuration, like it will download the exe into your local, like this. Okay, once you got that particular exe, then you need to double click. Once you click the double click, you can able to see this is the window. Okay, this particular configuration window you can able to see there is a last button, there are OK button. Okay, if you click on OK, then it will set up for this all the things for your Windows system. Okay, and also it will create for shortcut on your desktop. Okay, and you have to remember that you need to click for OK. Okay, then only it will accept, otherwise you cannot able to download properly. Okay, once it is done, then you can able to see the Docker desktop, it will be started. This is my version 4.27.1. Okay, this is the one. It will unzip all the things and again it will install into your Windows system. Okay, once it is done the installation, then it will ask you the screenshot as close and restart. Close and restart, this is the step it will comes. Okay, just re, if you open anything here, please close all the things, then you can click for this particular button, close and restart. Once you click that close and restart, automatically your system got restart. Okay, then after completion of the entire things, then it will reopen, right? Once you get the reopen, you can able to see Docker images down, and this is the things it will display. Okay, Docker subscription service agreement. Okay, if you like, a Docker desktop is free for small business which is the 250 employees or less than that. 10 million annual income revenue, those people will get as a free, and also personal usage and educational and non-commercial open source, right? That completely we can get for open source projects. Who all are going to for learn for only for learning purpose, they will also get for free, okay, without any payment. In case if it is required something subscription and all, they will ask you for that payment, okay. And you need to click for accept, okay. Once you click the accept, then it will give you for some recommend settings, required administration password and all. You can just for click finish, okay. Once you click the finish, and it will go for first time. Like in case if you are using for office laptop, then we required for administrator password for your system, okay. Otherwise it will not allow you, okay. And if you use your personal laptop, it is okay, fine. But if you go for office laptop, that is a different approach. You have to reach out to the administrator only, okay. Once it is done, then it will ask you for sign up. Is in case if you have already for Docker username and password, that is fine. You can directly click sign in and you can do it. Otherwise you can need to click on sign up. Again, sign up also, it will provide for username and password. It will ask you, and there you can able to provide. It will ask you for professional and Gmail, like normal email IDs. Choose anything, okay, based upon your present email IDs, okay. And click on sign in, and it will open after everything. It just you can go for Windows location. There is a Docker will be there. Just double click, and it will open for this is the home page. And here there is a sign in button will be presented. Sign in button like this, okay. Just click on sign in button, okay. Once you click the sign in, automatically it will okay, it will ask you for username and password. Once you provided, it will open for this is your home page. Completely installation about for Windows system, okay. We'll see for next video session. There is a execution and all how we can able to do, okay. If you go for Mac, there are two things it will provide. Any one of them you can able to use. Docker setup for Mac with the Intel chip. If you have Intel chip, then you need to use this one. Apple Siliconic, then you need to use this one based upon your Mac, okay. Once you done, double click, sorry, installation process they are providing for here. You need to double click on that DMS, then you can it will install in these locations. It will go for start and everything, and again it will ask you for restart and also small business the persons we can able to get for free of cost. The last you have to accept it, okay. Once you accept, then only it will allow you to open, okay. And that also it will give you for Docker image in your Windows that Mac system, that also you have to open. For the Linux also the similar format they will provide you, but they will provide some setups. What exactly they will provide? Like here you can see all the platforms and all. You need to go for one by one, okay, and install into your system, okay. Choose any one of them, downloading that package and everything, and you can able to install into your local, okay. These are the complete installation about for Docker. We'll see for next video session how we can able to execute the first commands. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.